SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon.
And we are back with another video. Yeah, as you guys see by the thumbnail and title, man, today we're going to be right into another reaction, another Patrice Roberts featuring Machel Montano. Must have been done seeing that babe. I can't pronounce it right there now.
It's okay, they get it.
That's why I don't pronounce it when you I can't pronounce it. But like yourself, official music video, Soca 2020. So yeah, we're gonna waste some time. Let's get like and subscribe. We're gonna dive right into it. Let's go!
Yeah.
Girl, you better come on. You better come on.
I knew she was gonna pause it.
You better come on.
I knew the moment she started singing that day, she gonna picture herself singing that. Yeah.
That ain't what she said. She said, na 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 na.
What did she say?
What she say to him?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. What she say? Na 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 na. Yeah, that's what she said. She said what she said.
Okay.
Don't be trying to put words in her mouth. That's not what she said.
Why she gonna cut up her foot palm before?
I'm trying to get comfortable. My leg hurt. All right, come on.
You ever tried limo before?
No.
I never either.
I've always wanted to.
You think limo out that style now? You think limo out that style now?
Like a regular limousine, but like most people are doing party buses and stuff like that for prom and all that stuff. But people still do limousines, but they do like Hummer, like.
I feel like limo been around for years.
It has.
I feel like I see limo so many times.
It did.
I feel like nowadays people just pull up into Lamborghinis and
yeah.
Scatbacks and all them cars right
and
now.
Teslas and all that stuff.
Yeah.
All them luxury cars and stuff. Yeah.
Look where we reach again. End up in a party in the streets again.
Oh, she look good. Come on in.
It's 1,000 man and 1,000 girl. I wanna jam on. Look where we
Is that a gun?
What was it good?
Or you go walk?
1,000 man and 1,000 girl. I wanna jam.
Yeah.
What that symbolize, like?
I have no idea.
What that symbolize, guys? I'm pretty sure it's nothing bad, but like the princess.
I guess it's the stuff that's going around them, like the extra stuff that's around him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Look where we reach, hello. Why we bringing sun up to the beach, hello. Just when the relationship breathe, and it's not your man, it's not my girl. Until we reach so you could follow your
Them shit can't hold me, them shit can't hold it. It's like, that chance not dance.
You better not break my damn chair. I know that.
But the song being,
you better get up.
The song being, we're not even we're only 38 seconds in that song, and the song sound bad.
Y'all, I wanted to do for my birthday. I wanted to do this little outfit idea for my birthday photo shoot, but I couldn't find.
You could find what?
Like the little outfit she got on. Like I wanted to do something like that.
Amazon or eBay?
I did, but it wasn't gonna come in time. What?
Mumia shaky.
You know what? We skipping this part.
Mumia shaky body.
I can shake your body too.
Mumia shaky body.
You retarded.
What did I say a while ago?
Huh?
What did I say a while ago? Oh yeah. No, I'm pretty sure you never been to like a. No. I never been to one. The actual Trinidad.
No.
Actual Trini carnival. I know they be going crazy.
I want to go to one, but I've never been.
Yeah, I thought they might go crazy. You see, Batty. Yeah, I go one. You see, Batty till they can't, you see, Batty like crazy. They go crazy. They see all kind of face paint, all kind of.
I want to just get one of the little outfits
clothes and
stuff.
wear. Crazy. They be going crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
I want to get one of the little outfits and stuff. I think that's real fly.
I never met this guy before. I don't know. This is my first time seeing his name. We always see Patrice, but this guy this thing before.
Yeah.
It sound good though. Well, wine didn't for me, man.
Yeah.
She love to wine. Wine for me, man.
Oh, she said she loves wine?
Yeah.
Ah, I didn't catch
Shake
that
the
part.
place. Maybe I catch that part. Me catch it.
I didn't catch it though.
Me catch it.
She said even if she rude wine with the next man?
You go back.
Okay.
Go back again.
Wait.
Does the what's name work?
Let's see. Go. There you go.
I don't think so. She said she like to wine. Don't try to interrupt my vibe.
Okay, I got you.
Go back again. I gotta hear the whole thing.
I think she said even if I wine rude with the next man, you wouldn't have to something. You would have to get no.
But it's showing the caption, but it didn't show right there. I'm thinking it's because they didn't catch what she was saying.
Yeah.
That's why they didn't.
She said she loves to wine. Even if she wine rude with the next man, you wouldn't have to get something.
So when she said rude, like wine rude, like she bend over upon the man and give some hard wine, man, I get some hard backers. Go wine for me, huh? Go wine for me, even though the camera can't see it. But it's like, why can say, why? The party hot! The party hot!
You're retarded, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel dizzy now.
Don't try to stop my vibes. Don't try to stop my vibe. Said me I stop out a girl but not try to stop my vibes.
If you do it now?
Huh? Catch your breath.
Yeah, catch your breath. Catch your breath.
I said me I stop out a girl but not come back my vibes. Is me? Yeah.
Somebody translate in the comment section.
Me I stop out a girl but not back.
I heard what you said.
So you want to channel if I hear me say?
Because
what? Because what? Huh?
Just know I heard what you said.
So you want to translate if I hear me say?
Because make sure they heard what you said.
Damn right. You damn right. When you go to these Caribbean parties, bro, you don't know what to expect, but just know it's gonna be some crazy-ish.
Oh yeah, I'm scared to go to a Caribbean party.
Crazy-ish. You're not gonna go by yourself, trust me. You're not gonna go by yourself. I'm gonna tell you right now, man. If I start by yourself, you are not safe standing up by yourself in a party. I'm gonna come grab you and bring you over.
Oh my God.
If you don't know for wine, you're gonna learn for wine. You're gonna know how to wine by the end of that party.
Jesus.
Trust me.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be scared.
I'll throw you up on top of the roof. A joke.
Come on, Granny.
They shake like jelly, man.
What?
No matter about jelly. The candy jelly? Yeah.
Oh.
It just came to my mind.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You want peanut butter jelly sandwich?
Huh?
You want jelly
no,
sandwich?
No, the jelly candy. The jelly candy. That's how it's called, the jelly candy. It tastes like jelly. You got the apple, they got mango and all different types.
Yeah. That what you got in your eye?
What? Gemini?
Retarded. Where that boy mama at?
Hey, it's a good vibe, man. You're young.
What the heck? That boy was in it.
Yeah, listen to them. The man open their belly now. What? The man open their belly now.
Retarded, bro.
But if they catch it, come up on them face. That bad up on them face. We never see the youth done so. Jelly. Keep on thinking about jelly, bro.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you gonna be thinking about these hands in a minute.
Keep on thinking about jelly, bro.
I like it. Oh, wait a minute. Come on, grandma. Yeah. Rick said she gonna show y'all. Y'all got it from her.
What that woman?
That's nice. Mama was getting it, okay? Mama said y'all gonna see where y'all got it from.
See, when it's the Caribbean music, man, it gets you in the vibe. You don't care how old you is. You gonna get up and you gonna shake. Cheers, you gonna shake like you young.
That was good. That was a good song. I like that.
Not bad. But yeah, guys, if you guys like the video, comment down below, like and subscribe. Follow all social media below, TikToks, and follow her babe YouTube channel. I'll be in the description below. With that being said, we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.